Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. My name is Rob and today I'll be discussing how to change fog light bulbs on a 2018 Traverse. The process will also be similar, pretty much the same for the most part, for a good amount of different vehicles. The only reason I'm saying that is my girlfriend had a fog light out, so I was like looking under the bumper and everything to try to see how to get to the fog light, to the point where I ended up having to Google it, and to try to find out. And one of the ways they said was the only way to get to the fog light was by taking the whole bumper off. And another was by taking the wheel liner off. So, when I Googled that, I looked up to see if there was any videos on how to change 2018 Chevy Traverse fog light bulb. There wasn't any videos that involved the Chevy Traverse, but there was other vehicles similar, like a Jeep and a Toyota, that said to unscrew the wheel liner. So that's what I ended up doing. I'm going to show you. I took a picture of where you took out the screws, and all that stuff, and I'll even include what you need for tools in it and all that stuff. It didn't end up being that hard to do, so it's very easy and all that stuff. I took some before and after pictures and all that stuff. So I'm gonna throw those pictures in, and then I'm gonna show you the end result. So there you have it. It was relatively easy to change the fog lights. All you had to do is take 5 screws out, at least on my vehicle. Some might be 4, some might be 6. It's not that hard. And then, like mine, I had to take like a butter knife, for example, just to pry it in, because it goes behind a little lip of the part of the car, the bumper, and then just pry it out so I could reach my hand in there. And then on the fog light bulb yourself, you squeeze 2 little tabs and then pull it out. You put the new bulb in and then plug it back in. There's 2 tabs on the wiring itself where you connect to the lights. So it's very easy. It's all plug and play, as they say. The brand I got was Ala. I'll leave a link in the description and put that in. So I got like 2 for a good price. I think they were $26 compared to the bulbs that came with the car, basically came with the style that came with the car, that weren't that bright, and you couldn't even tell they were on. They were more like a very dim night light. They wanted like 30 for them, and for some strange reason it's hard to find any lights this size, fog lights, in any stores around here. So I got them off Amazon. So far I'm happy with them. Like I said, they were easy to install. As you can see, fog lights on, or fog lights off. What's that? That's fog lights on, fog lights off, on, off. There they're on. And I'm going slow. I'm on the back road, so I'm going to show you what they look like with just the fog lights. So you can see that they don't light the road a lot, but you can still see quite a bit. So don't try that at home. Like I said, I'm on a back road. I'm going slow. There's not much traffic on this road at this time of night. But you just gotta watch for deer and all that stuff. I saw way back there was a deer out. But yeah, so like you said, I was looking to upgrade. Thought about upgrading for a while, but wasn't really too worried about it and all that stuff. But I went to get the car inspected, and because the fog light bulb was out, they were going to reject it. And they quoted me, like, because it's labor intensive work. Like I said in the beginning of the video, when I googled how to change a bulb on this thing, one of the things said you have two options, and one is taking the bumper all the way off, or going through the back of the wheel liner, not including the bulb. They were like wanting to charge me a couple $100. I'm like, no. And it just sucks because they never use, at least, I don't know, maybe it could have been the place I took it, or whatnot, but they never used to make a big deal on, the fog lights, because it's not a requirement. There's probably just as many cars out there that don't have the fog lights and all that stuff. But it seems like they're getting more tedious with that. Like, they never, like, my dad had a car that up behind the mirror, a rock hit in it. It was so tall, so tiny that you could barely even notice it, and it wasn't in the line of sight. And you could just put some like filling in and stuff, and it'd be fine. And it passed for like 3-4 years, no problem, because it wasn't in the line of sight. Then all of a sudden one year, I guess they decided to change everything, and he had to go replace the windshield, even though it wasn't in the line of sight. So anyways, like I said, the brand is Alla, A-L-L-A. I think I got 2 bulbs for like $26. You can get different ones, different styles and all that stuff. I decided to try it out and see how they worked. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.